Oh my God, yeah. And they love people, as you can see.
You're
Yeah.
so silly.
The way they jump. Okay, okay, puppies. You're gonna kill her.
Oh, big wrestlers.
This is Daniela with the puppies. And guess what? I only have 8. And look at this is
Oh,
what is your name? I forgot. Ratatouille. You haven't changed any color. Everybody's becoming white, but you are still a little black. You haven't developed. You are
it's my favorite.
yeah. You are Mr. Ratatouille. And this is Daniela. Now he's going to be bleeding
Look
like
at them. Look at them with
like Armando. Yeah. Okay, this is what they call them. Earth terrors.
Oh, puppies!
This is the girl. Yeah, she's so pretty.
How come you're so beautiful? Huh?
She's a very beautiful and smart little girl.
Oh, and who else do we have here? We have this beautiful one.
Oh yeah,
You are
he's,
the most beautiful.
and they're also calm when you put them in their arms. Look. Okay, so grab that one. He's available.
No, I can't.
Where is Yellow gonna go?
I don't know.
Mr. Yellow.
Mr. Yellow.
Mr. Yellow. Look, he's kissing you. And who is that? Mr. Green is already gone. And someone is went into the little house here. Who is that?
They untied my shoelaces.
Oh, this is the girl. We're gonna see what happened with you girls because we have our. Someone is gonna get either you or the other girl. I don't know, and I'm gonna let it to the chance to decide which girl I am left over. You know. So I'm not gonna say anything, but she's my favorite. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. She's so adorable.
You're so adorable. Here,
Yeah.
look at the camera.
Yeah.
You are the most beautiful girl. Look at you guys. You're going to tear me to pieces.
And what about Mr. Ratatouille? When are Mr. Ratatouille?